All right, guys, top of the morning. It's about 4:30 a.m. My brother wants to make it to the gym by 5, so I got my board shorts on. About to go hit the cold plunge downstairs and then go meet him at the gym. It's gonna be kind of a rough morning, but I'm really tired, so I need to go wake myself up. Let's go jump in the cold plunge. It's my current cold plunge setup in the garage. Top of the morning. I'm gonna try to stay in here for about 2.5 minutes. Hopefully I can make it to 3 minutes. It's definitely colder the earlier it is. Also, don't be in the comments, call me a bitch for not putting my hands in. I wanna see you guys in here at 40 degrees at fucking 4:30 in the morning. Right? None of that shit.
Listen, all that cheddar in my pocket look like quesadillas. Met a girl from down south, woke up in it, Buenos Dias. I ain't pull up in a Prius, it's a taco. Got that green on me like what they put in nachos. Hayden, Picasso, he did that.
Boom. 3 minutes, end it with a dunk. Woo! Alright, see you guys. You know, after something that painful that early in the morning, you just gotta throw his in. I'm not a proponent of these things, but I like them. Kind of a bad habit. Maybe a little, you know, hard-working habit, but sue me. I just got in the cold pool at 4:30 in the a.m. Still can barely talk because I'm shaking. Heading to the gym to go meet my brother. It's like 4:50 now. Hopefully I can make it there by 5. Cheers, boys. All right, so got to the gym. It's about 5, a little bit late. About to walk in really quick, meet my brother. He said he's trying to play some basketball. He's about to catch that work. He's actually a lot better than me. But you're about to see, I think I'm about to get some buckets. Anyways, see you guys in a sec.
Out in Costa Rica, no, I really had to fly out. Chilling with your chick, watching Netflix, she ain't even sign out. Said that girl's mine now, she lying down, but I'm piping up. Had to put some butter on the buns, I was toasting her. Let the boy cook, I'm out here eating, you boys throwing up. Rolly, I'm Daytona up. Hey, though, he ain't even really rapping, he just warming up. All up in a patty, secret formula. I might put that Rolly on my baby nephew wrist. Come on, he should already know what time it is. That's a no-look assist. To my brothers, look here, you ain't know what this is. Now he fly with the hip. Hey, money tall 6'6", chickens on your wish list. Hit that shit on Christmas. Step back, hold up, swish, give it that. Fernando Tatis, a big stick. Holy moly, oh my god, I think I found a thick bitch. I'ma put her on a stick just like a scarecrow. But if they ask about it, hold up, baby, I don't know. I ain't never seen that bitch before. That's a UFO, and that's a win, that's a dub. Hey, the one and oh. Vamos a la playa flamingo, smoking in a canopy. In la playa, for that slow car. I got tequila, come drink it with me. Hey, vamos a la playa flamingo, smoking in a canopy. In la playa, for that slow car. I got tequila, come drink it with me. Hey, vamos a la playa flamingo, smoking in a canopy. In la playa, for that slow car. I got tequila, come drink it with me. Yeah, I'm in Playa Flamingo, I'm getting sauced up. Patron silver shot for shot with my father. Green on me like Tatum, hold up, I'm a... Yo, what's going on? Just got back from the gym. Now the boys are heading over, about to work all day. And so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how the rest of the day goes. Cheers. Boys are at the office.
Woo!
What are we working on, BJ?
I'm just looking at my fully booked calendar, ready to sell.
Easy, Dave.
A lot of people. I'm sending an email to Legit Script introducing Dan with Ideal Weight Loss, also to Payment Processing, also to Custom Go High Level Build, also to Google, to Facebook. So it's a full funnel. You need us. You need a lot of us.
What do you think about Elon recently?
He's deported. He's back to South Africa. So we closed a Custom Go High Level Build, and the 15 grand right there. Then we got a 10 location deal, set up a meeting for Monday, built out a power dialer, did about 75 cold calls, taught the team how to do that. Then we also, what else did we do? Had a couple sales guys interviews, some new SDRs that are coming on. Some would say, jumping forward.